DAV video files are created by certain video recorders connected to security camera systems. If you have trouble watching them back, here's a quick way to convert them into MP4. Hey everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. And to jump right into the task, download the UniConverter from videoconverter.wondershare.com. When you have it downloaded, click on the converter tool from the home interface. This converter is one of the most powerful converters out there since it supports over 1,000 file formats and it's super fast. You can also perform basic editing functions right within the converter tool, so it can be your one-stop shop for converting and trimming DAV security footage files, or any other DAV files. Okay, so let's go over the process. First of all, import your DAV files into the converter. If you need to trim your footage, hover your cursor over the video thumbnail here, and then click on the scissors icon here. This window will come up. Here, trim the video by cutting the footage, deleting parts, and trimming the length of the video. Check the Merge All Segments box here to keep it as one individual file. Click on Save. To crop a video, click on the crop icon here. Crop the video manually or select presets. You can click on Apply to All to apply the same cropping settings to all the video files on your batch list. Within this same window, you can apply effects by switching to the Effects tab. You can do the same things by checking Apply to All. Click on Save. In our final step, select your output format to be MP4. It's the most convenient file format that you'll be able to play with anything. Then choose an output folder. And then finally click on Start All. The converter tool will convert your DAV files to MP4 with lightning speed. When the process is finished, you'll find the converted files under the Finish tab, wherefrom you can access them in the Containing folder. Okay, that's all for this video. Leave a like if it was helpful and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.